evening.
Okay. And this is what is my slogan. Let us play together, sir.
I'm
Abhishek,
not.
sir.
Yes, yes, I'm getting your point, sir. And in fact, you are a English teacher, but your your life and your work is not limited within English only. Uh, Such an inspiring thing, sir. Sir, my next question is to you. Now that you have received India's Best Teacher Award, do you feel that society and school will expect more from you?
Yes, definitely. For this, I should share something like I make them dancers and I teach them origami. And these are the images for my origami expo I have conducted, clay modeling. And my students' strength are increasing year by year in my classroom. That's in my school. And we also have some clubs in my school. These are like English Literary Club.
Yeah,
And
your screen is not
this is
visible.
okay. Let me again stop sharing and it's visible, sir. For me, it's visible. Is my screen not visible?
Yes, sir. Your screen is not
Is it
visible.
visible?
Yeah,
Is it
your screen
visible?
is visible, but I'm not seeing your the club wala thing.
Oh, okay, okay. Is my PPT visible?
Yes, sir. Your PPT is visible. Now we are
Abhishek,
seeing.
sir?
Yes, yes. Your PPT is visible,
It's visible.
and
Can you see that
yes, yes. Now your techno club activities.
Techno Club activities?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is visible.
It- Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And I have made student to win in the district level. And I should also tell you about society. Like Ananda Vigadan is a magazine which has classroom into this. I have made a change in like with a donation of 2 lakh rupees from Actor Lawrence as well as Vigadan has donated me. And this is how I have converted this class into two. And I've sponsored dictionaries to the children and the materials which I've sponsored. And not only stopping here, I have gathered English language teachers across the district, and we have donated people of Kadalur district flood relief of more than 1 lakh worth rupees. And I also encourage students in library usage. And this is the project which we have initiated to develop rural information center for empowering them with computer knowledge. Along with my wife, we have done this practice. And when we go for your question is like how do the society expect you? Like I should say that when I have received the award, then I know that my work should multiply. Now itself, I am struggling to get time to do all this work. Now I'm working 24/7. I pray to God to give me with some more time to serve people across the globe. That's what I could say. And I'll not stop working until my aim is reached. And Kalam used to say, dream, dream, and dream until your goal is reached. But I could say, I dream big to reach big.
No doubt, sir. And I'm following uh, you since long time, and I think
Okay.
not only me, but many people think you are an inspiration for all of us. Please tell us who or what inspire you in everyday life, especially as a
Yes.
teacher, as an individual.
Yeah. I should say two things. My students are always my inspiration and my family. Really, I'm from a teaching background. My father, mother, and my wife, everyone is teachers. I learn each and everything from them. And I also learn lots of things from other teachers as well. Like one teacher will have one good thing, and I'll collect all the ideas from each one and I adopt those. So I can say there are many people who inspire me a lot. I can name them even from like Selva Kumar, Ramesh, and lots of teachers, Amalati, and there are teachers like Chitra, Kalaivani, and Vijay Kumar, Ananda Kannan. There are so many teachers who are doing great job. Gopinath is doing a great job, and Karthikeyan, Ramesh. there are lots of teachers who are in my circle who are always excelling in their classrooms with their difference, like Gopinath, who is adopting drama, and there is Teres Anthony, and Ruby Teres for maths, and there are teachers who are dedicated themselves like Ganesh Anbu, Vaidisha Anbu for maths. And for Tamil also, there are so many teachers who are doing a great job, and they are inspiring. And there are lots of teachers from Tamil Nadu who are really using technology in a great way. Ilavarasan, Manogar, many things from them.
So do you get time off from your busy schedule because you are working on so many projects? What are your other
Yes.
interest hobbies? Can you tell me something?
Yes, I have expressed like I'm teaching so many things. The other interests are I am really interested in dancing, drawing, and developing educational applications, educational games, and blogging. I have 10 blogs for each subjects. I have created own blog, and I don't find time to update everything. And I have created Facebook groups. There are so many WhatsApp groups. I have created more than 60 WhatsApp groups for teachers. I am a member in more than 800 WhatsApp group, and I have created a Kaisala group where more than 1800 teachers of our state are sharing their knowledge pieces. And all this maintaining everything is very difficult, but I used to maintain.
So in the Corona time, how are you engaging your students?
Yes, I wanted to share this. I have created a YouTube channel for my students to watch daily. I have created one video and I have posted it. And for teachers also, we are training like different teachers organizations, and many have initiated trainings, and we have trained more than 15,000 teachers through online mode using Teams, Zoom, and Google Meet. All these three platforms we have used, and we are trying with Jitsi as well. These platforms helps us to take online sessions, and if you are really interested in watching the videos, you can search Dilip Teacher in YouTube or Google. You will get, and I have posted more than 100 videos which will be helpful for students in learning English, developing reading skills, and spoken English. And for teachers, usage of technology is possible.
Sir, we want to say something for your colleague and student because due to Corona, you were not able to celebrate your kind of the achievement you got recently. Can you share a few things for them?
Ah,
In fact, you can share
yeah.
some the quality they have, or just some few words for them.
Yeah, I wanted to say hi everyone. It's for you and not for me. Okay, this is for all the students and teachers of the not only for Tamil Nadu, India. This is for every student and teacher of the world. A big thank you, and I wish to dedicate this to each one of you for giving me this greatest chance. Bye. Dream big and keep always dreaming, and your dreams will really come true when you work hard for your aim. Okay, keep working, keep on working until you reach your destination. This is what I wanted to share.
Thank you so much, and I'm really proud of you and the whole team, the students. Really, such an inspiration, and for it's a great moment for all of us. What message would you like to share with us at that moment, especially for Sarkari School Initiative?
Yeah, I should really thank you for giving me this opportunity. It is a really great initiative, spending time and interviewing teachers like us and sharing the knowledge across the globe is a great initiative. I would really appreciate your efforts of doing this great service to everyone. And a big round of applause for you for doing this, and keep excelling in future as well. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for giving me this opportunity. And it was nice interacting with you, Abhishek. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, and keep inspiring, keep motivating your students, and keep doing such creative things so that the teachers, the students can get inspiration, can get ideas, and keep sharing some unique teacher's story with us also, so that the community, the society members, the teachers can get inspiration from uh, our teachers, our students, and all can say the our government schools are performing something unique in different and difficult situations. Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day, and
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much once
Please keep
again,
inspiring.
Abhishek. We'll really share some inspiring teacher stories with you in future. And thank you so much. And I thank all the viewers for watching this live interview. See you on the next show. Bye bye.
Sure. Bye, bye, sir. Thank you so much. Good night.